As you guys know, I've reviewed a Cudy product before. So here at Computex, I'm here to check out other of Cudy's product. So let's start with Cudy's Accessories. Over here, nothing special actually. It's just basically a 10 Gbps PCIe Ethernet adapter. Pretty common stuff. Then this is the thing that I like, which is the dual 4K 10 Gbps USB-C dock. As a MacBook user, I like this kind of things because, okay, let's see. It's powered through a connection here. It has a PD 100 watt USB connection. Has display ports, two display ports, two HDMI. It connects to a LAN port, and you have 1M USB Type A, 3M USB Type C, and an audio output. So let's say you're using a MacBook, like I'm using a MacBook Air, and with MacBook Air, and I want to output to all these other things. This will come in very handy. So definitely, I hope to be able to get this someday. Though I'm not sure whether it ever enter Malaysian market. Definitely something that I am very interested in. Next up, USB Wi-Fi. But unlike any other USB Wi-Fi, this is a Wi-Fi that is Wi-Fi-7. So that's nice. Definitely something for those of you who already have Wi-Fi-7 capable router. This is something for you to look into in case, like for example, if your motherboard has just Wi-Fi 6 or less, but you already have a Wi-Fi 7 network and want to connect to it, instead of buying a Wi-Fi 7 capable motherboard, you can use a Wi-Fi 7 adapter like this. Now up next is an AX3000 2.5G Wi-Fi 6 mini VPN router. What it is cute little thing, USB-C powered, has a USB Type A port as well, but you can see there's two RJ45 port. So what you can do is, one is to connect to the Ethernet. The other one, if you ever need LAN connection, as in cable connection on your network, you can connect it to a switch or router or whatever else. So it comes in a tiny package. You can let it sit on your router or anything else. Yeah, pretty much that. So I'm going to go over to the next section. Now this is what Cudy is focusing on today. So basically these are all Wi-Fi 7 capable. Starting off, this one is the BE 11000 multi-gig Wi-Fi 7 access point. Now this is a gigabit Wi-Fi 7 router, and this again is yet another router, Wi-Fi 7. And lastly, we have a mesh range extender, the typical range like any other range extender, 3-pin plug, put it in. But what's good with this one, like what I mentioned, if you have a Wi-Fi 7 network and you want to extend, this is a Wi-Fi 7 range extender for you. And if your computer needs Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, the USB dongle of Wi-Fi 7 support I showed earlier will suit that. So I will not go into detail of all these things because every network product has its unique selling points. For example, these two, for example, supports VPN, and they have this has a 6-stream tri-band Wi-Fi, while this is a 4-stream dual-band Wi-Fi 7. The speeds are different, and the connectivity, how it looks is different. You see, this one is at a 4-port, right, and it's vertical standing with a fixed antenna, so it's actually very cute. So it's like some Sanrio character with spiky hair. It's basically vertically standing a router. This is a bit like the P5 that I reviewed before. Again, 4-port, but this is different. It's the typical layout with antenna standing up for your Wi-Fi 7 connection. Alright, with that said, I am ending my coverage for Cudy's booth over here at Computex 2025. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.